Alright, it is June 7th. It's one of my favorite times of year. Anticipation of what's going to be around the upcoming year, and start trying to put together some game plans on some bucks. Delaware starts September 1st, so they're still on a summer pattern the beginning of the year. So makes it a lot more fun running around watching velvet deer, knowing you can have a shot at them first week or two of the season. It's really wet. I've had a lot of rain. Most places that I hunt are flooded up. So poking around, did a lot of February and March scouting, and now just kind of implementing some cameras in some areas that I know historically will have early season deer. Got a lot of work and not a whole lot of time to do it either. But get some cameras out and see what starts showing up. Right now they're not going to have much on top of their heads, but they'll have enough to where you can get excited to what they might turn into. So see how it turns out. Okay, it's now mid-July. The rain has been relentless. I mean, probably 3 days a week it's raining. It's been a long time since we've got this much rain here in Delaware. Nothing is dried out. It was flooded up earlier in the summer, and it's still flooded up significantly. So, watched bean fields the other night. Saw a pretty good buck in a bachelor group with a couple other ones. But the big 8 thought I was going to go after has not shown up yet. I don't know where he is. Last year he was a homebody pretty much all summer into early fall. This year he is non-existent. So don't know if something happened to him, if he's going to show up or what. I'm going to continue to run a camera in there and hope that he shows up. But might have to put a little effort and time into glassing this other buck a little more and try to get him figured out. Right now, that's really, I don't have much for shooters in Delaware yet. I have one bachelor group that about 3-year-old bucks that had pretty good potential. They showed up one time on a camera and then they were gone. But keep plugging along, keep after it. Start glassing fields pretty heavily here in the next couple weeks for the September 1st opener. This is the spot for the big 8. Hasn't shown up yet, but definitely want to keep monitoring it. This tree right behind me here had an opportunity at him at 15 yards last year. And there was a spike standing right about where I am. And he just busted me drawing. Didn't book her up too bad, but it's so thick in here that once he bound off 10 yards, wasn't able to get a shot. I mean, as you can see, it's ridiculously thick, but it's always been a good spot over the years. It's had some pretty big bucks come through it. Been good for about one shooter a season. So just monitor it, see if something good shows up.